Hi everybody! Oh yeah, who's this character? This is Cyclops.
What is that?
I'm on Squinky!
Okay.
We already did him. We already did him. We already did him. And the Juggernaut, those guys we already did.
Okay. Show him.
This is Dr. Octopus.
Show the camera. Good.
This is Dr. Octopus. Look here, guys. What? This is the Blob.
Put it in the camera.
This is the Blob.
Nope. Okay, show him the next one. Here.
This is the Angel.
You gotta show the people. They need to see.
This is the Angel.
The angel what?
Angel Squinky, and he flies. Sorry. This is Captain America, and he has a mighty shield.
Show the camera. They can't see it.
This is Captain America with his mighty shield. Okay? This is Wolverine.
Well, what about Wolverine? What does he do?
He has claws.
Yeah, what does he do with them?
He bams someone with his claws and he punches someone.
That's not nice.
And then he scratches someone with scratch. Yeah. This is 4. And the bomber.
What does he do?
He's here and he smashes.
Yeah. What's the name of that toy in your hand? What's the name of it?
Door.
Not the door. What kind of toy is that?
The iPad of the Marvel Squinkies when he got to Florida, they called him Door.
And tell everybody what's that.
This is the humongous Spider-Man.
What goes in there?
What?
What goes in there?
You would put them on the shelves.
Say goodbye to everybody.
No, yes, don't do that. I have to put them all in their shelves.
What are you doing with them?
Put them on their shelves.
Alright. While we do that, let's say goodbye to everybody till next time.
Bye. See you next time.